Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Al-Zara from second semester special into 8th class, and my student number is 06011382328073. And today I would like to tell you about basic internet search techniques. Oh, alright. And then for the first, we use a punctuation. Punctuation is like I once searched curriculum, and then you can see the results of when I'm search Merdeka curriculum and curriculum, and the result is very many, right? 9,024. So when we use question like punctuation like this, it can be in a decrease. See, it's a very decrease, right? So when we use plus sign, is, you can see, that's it, about 325 results, and it's a decrease than before. And then when we use punctuation, minus sign. When we use minus sign is like this. Ooh, it's a very many. Like, it's a very increase than when we use a plus sign, and you can see that the results when we use a minus sign. And then we go to Boolean searching. Like we use and or not like this. So we use curriculum and curriculum. See, this is all Boolean searching when we use and. Is a very many also 69,000 when we use and. Let's continue when we use or. When we use or, see that increase. This is a very increase than when we use and. So this is a result when we search when we use or, and then how you can open the information like this. And when we open, let's to continue to use not. When we use not, oh my god, it's a very decrease than before. When we use not, when we are searching in Google, so I think it's a very decrease than when we use or, because or can be used Merdeka curriculum and K13 curriculum. And then, all right. So let's continue to use a truncation. Truncation is like search meaning as like a synonym. When we use child in this punctuation, like a dollar, right? See, this is child, and we can see the definition or similar like child. Oh, it's like a children, also children, grandchild are there when we use a child. And when we use woman. Woman. When we question mark. When we use question mark. Woman. This you can see, and so could be woman or could be women. Women. Like this. This is one we search on internet, like basic internet search techniques. And for the last, I think is when we use allergy. Not allergy. Use this. Allergy can, when we search allergy, can be a search like this, search allergies, or yeah, like this. I'm That is how to basic internet search techniques from when quotation, patient, plus sign, and then minus, and then and or not, and some we have boolean searching like and or not like this, and when we use a truncation like use like a dollar and question mark. Like, I think that's all for me to explain it to you about basic internet search techniques. Maybe we can meet again in another section. Alright, I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time. Bye bye.